From the students of Penn State Meteorology, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Good afternoon, Penn State. I'm Christopher Tate from the Campus Weather Service with a Campus Weather Service group forecast video because it is the last Wednesday forecast of the semester. You'll see a couple other shift members a little bit later on. In the meantime, let's talk about current conditions. It's a very cloudy day for the majority of the Commonwealth with just a few peaks of sun showing up in south central Pennsylvania and a very snowy scene unfolding in Wilkes-Barre as a weak disturbance has been passing through the state over the course of the day today. We did see some flurries in the State College area this morning, and we could see another flurry or two through the afternoon, but otherwise we'll just be left with these cloudy conditions that we see now as we look towards Mount Nittany. And a temperature not terribly dissimilar this afternoon from where we are right now. We're currently sitting at 34 degrees with a westerly wind at 13 miles an hour, making it feel even colder than that. Temperatures around the rest of Pennsylvania are having a hard time escaping the 30s, and I think only the southeastern corner of the state and maybe south central PA will be able to make it to the 40-degree mark as we head through the rest of the afternoon and evening. Radar and satellite shows just what I was talking about, lots of clouds over the majority of the Commonwealth, some snow showers occurring in eastern parts of the state. Now, not all of those are reaching the ground because there's a very thin layer of very dry air just above the surface. So especially south of Allentown and south of the Poconos, some of those snow showers aren't making it to the ground, but north of the Poconos, that's where you're going to see some light accumulation through the rest of the day. And then off into the interior northeast, that dry layer is absent, so the snow that you see in Vermont and parts of Massachusetts and New York, that is in fact going to be reaching the ground. Now for a look at what's going to come over the rest of this day and into the next couple of days, let's send things over to Jacob.
Thanks, Chris. The lake effect snow that moved into the northeast region of Pennsylvania is not going to last very long as it will soon dissipate later in the afternoon. By 6 p.m., Scranton and Allentown will be void of snow completely as rain continues in Erie. This rain will also dissipate soon, leaving mostly cloudy conditions for the majority of the western half of the state, with a few snow flurries in areas such as Indiana County. Again, these will not last very long as conditions remain mostly cloudy for Thursday morning. Heading into Thursday afternoon, temperatures will remain normal for this time of the year, but as we head into Friday morning, temperatures will start to rise as the sun starts to come up and conditions start to become warmer. I'll head it over to Delián to discuss weekend conditions.
Thank you, Jacob. Now continue with future weather. We can see in the European model that for Friday night, there's a much more bigger cloud mass entering our area, and this will persist throughout Saturday morning. But as we head into Saturday night, we're expecting rain showers to enter our area throughout the northwestern part of the state, and this will continue throughout Sunday, but more scattered. And as we head into Sunday night, that rain goes out and cloudiness again into our area. Now it's your turn, Alex.
Alrighty, thank you, Delián. Today it'll be 38 degrees with cloudy skies and a chance of flurries continuing. I know a few flurries have already been observed across the state, but they may continue throughout the day. Winds will be pretty breezy today, west-southwest at 15 miles per hour, with potential gusts up to 25 miles per hour. As we head into tonight, temperatures will not drop that low, only dropping into the lower 30s, 34 degrees, with the cloud cover decreasing throughout the night, and winds west at 7 miles per hour. And as we head into tomorrow, clouds will decrease even further, becoming mainly clear by the late afternoon and evening hours, with a high of 45 degrees and winds from the west at 5 miles per hour. All right, I'll give it over to Chris.
Thank you, Alex. The rest of the 7-day forecast from the Campus Weather Service shows this. We will keep that warming trend in through the end of this week, the last week of classes here at Penn State, but then heading into the weekend, the first of two storm systems set to approach. That could bring us some rain Sunday afternoon through about midday on Sunday, and we'll be left with residual cloud cover overnight Sunday. Temperatures will begin to fall back through the 40s, and we may even have some highs only in the 30s by the time we get to the middle of next week. Of course, that is finals week here on Penn State's campus, and I think it will be a chilly week here in State College. And that brings us to the end of this Wednesday afternoon group forecast video. It's been a privilege working with all of these fine people this semester and a couple others who weren't able to make it today. Good luck to all of you at Penn State, in State College and not in State College on finals next week. Safe travels if you do have any holiday plans, and we'll look forward to seeing you next semester. Bye, everybody.
Bye.
Bye. Have a nice break.